All right, we're required to divide 10101 in base 2 by 11 in base 2, and we're expected to leave our answer in the same base 2. So we're going to adopt the approach. We convert both numbers to their denary equivalent, base 10, and then carry out the division, and finally convert the result to the original base 2. So let us get into the solution. All right, let's take the first number and convert these two. So by taking 10101 in base 2 and converting to base 10, we have to write exponents. The process is by expansion. So we go 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 until we've exhausted the digits towards the left. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now the expansion procedure. Let's go. So we multiply. I like to write this underneath. So let's go. The first digit is 1 multiplied by the given base, base 2, raised to the power of the exponent on that 1, which is 4. And then plus, the next digit is a 0, which means we're going to write 0 multiplying a number, which will give 0. 0 multiplying any number gives 0. So we can bypass the part of the calculation that involves the digit 0 and move into the next one. So there we have 1, again multiplying the base 2, raised to the power written on that 1, which is power 2. Plus, we're going to skip the computation involving the 0 for the similar reason. So we have the last digit, which is 1, multiplied by the base 2, now raised to the power exponent on it, which is 0. Now let's evaluate each of the units. 2 to the power 4 gives us 16. 16 times 1 is still 16. Plus 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 times 1 gives us 4. And then we have plus 2 to the power 0 gives us 1. Any number to the power 0, according to the law of indices, is 1. Now 1 times 1 gives us 1. And by adding these values up, we're going to get 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21 in base 10, of course. Now, we're also going to convert the second number, which is 111. So also taking 111 in base 2, 111 in base 2, and converting to base 10 the usual way, we're going to have, by giving the exponents to the individual digits, so we have 0 from the far right towards the left, 1, and then 2. And now we can have the expansion. So this is going to be, take the first digit, 1, multiplied by the base, and that is the base 2, raised to the power of the digits on it, which is 2, then plus the middle digit, which is 1, multiplied by the base 2, raised to power 1, the digit written on it, and finally plus 1, multiplied by the base 2, raised to power 0 on it. And this is going to give us 2 to the power 2, evaluating each of the units. This is 4. 4 multiplied by 1 gives us 4. Then plus 2 to the power 1, which is 2, multiplied by 1, still giving us 2. And plus any number to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 gives us 1. And we can add this together. 4 plus 2 gives us 6, plus 1, and that's 7 in base 10. And now we can do our division in base 10. So 10101 base 2 divided by 111 base 2 is equivalent to the division 21 divided by 7. And therefore we can write that 10101 divided by 11 in base 2 is equivalent to 21 in base 10, also divided by 7, which gives us 3. in base 10. Remember, these numbers are in base 2, of course. 1 also in base 2. So the final part of the solution is to convert 3 into the number in base 2, and that is by the long division. Not really long. So 3 will be here, and then we have division by 2, the base to which we want to convert. 2 divides into 3, and that will give us 1. Remainder 1. 2 divides into 1, that's not possible, so we're going to write a 0, and now that 1 will be taken as our final remainder. The answer is now given by the remainders combined in the reverse order, bottom to top, which means we have our final answer, 1, 1. Now in base 2, our final answer. Very simple, and that will be the option B right there. All right. Attached to this video are 2 quizzes that you can attempt to test your understanding of the content of this video. Please attempt the questions and click on your answers. Next to that, we have the link to a full test on number basis, 30 questions in 30 minutes. Click the link in the pinned comments to take the test, to test your mastery and understanding of the topic number basis. And finally, there is another link in the pinned comments that takes you to the full analysis of the topic number basis. All right. Thank you for being part of the session, and see you in my next video.